Hi guys, I didn't shoot review lately, so here I am, La Quinta, Orlando. That is a main building. This is a separate building. Here's a little gym. What we have here? All right. Looks good. Elevator going up to the third floor. Okay, here's a sign. It's good. 3:35. So we're going left. Honey, I'm home. All right, this is two double bed room. It cost me $69.24 per one night. Air conditioned, classic. I don't like this one, but it's fine. This is the view. I see my car a little bit. All right. Chair is fine. Chair looks good. It all messed up over here, but it's fine. I don't care about it. This bed looks fine. This one looks with the stains. Some wall scratches. I mean, the rest is fine. TV is good. TV is big. Microwave. Also, we have fridge. Fridge is big too. Nice. Usually it's smaller. We have iron board. Of course, bathroom. It's a decent sized bathroom. I like the mirror. And here's a tab. I mean, for $69, it's not bad. Plus, breakfast is included. I'm gonna show you tomorrow how it looks like. That's it. So far I'm happy. Sausages, eggs.